In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana tags. Asana is a powerful project management tool that helps teams organize and manage their work efficiently. One of its useful features is the ability to use tags, which can help categorize tasks, add extra information, or even just help you quickly find related tasks. So let's dive in and explore how to effectively use tags in your Asana workspace. First, navigate to your Asana dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you're in, choose the project where you'd like to use tags. It's important to have a clear understanding of which tasks need tagging and what you'll use the tags for. This helps maintain consistency and prevents unnecessary clutter. In your selected project, open up the task you want to tag. You'll see a task details pane on the right side of the screen. The details pane is where you can manage all aspects of the task, from changing the due date to assigning it to team members, and of course, adding tags. Look for the tags field. It might be labeled or appear as a small icon next to other task details. Click on this area to begin typing the name of your tag. As you start typing, Asana will suggest existing tags if there are any that match your input. Using existing tags helps ensure that tasks are grouped accurately across projects. If a tag already exists, click on it to apply. If not, you can create a new tag. Creating new tags is straightforward. Just finalize typing your desired name and press enter. This method automatically adds it to your task and your team's tag library. Now repeat the process for all the tasks you wish to categorize. While doing this, consider consistent naming conventions for your tags. For instance, using a client name or an event type can quickly communicate what the task relates to. Consistent tags also make filtering and searching in Asana much more efficient, especially when dealing with large projects or numerous tasks. Once you've applied your tags, you can easily check tagged tasks by either clicking on a tag in the task detail pane or by using Asana's search bar at the top of the screen. Simply type the tag name to filter all tasks associated with it. This feature is incredibly helpful for reviewing progress, generating reports, or simply getting a quick overview of your workload. And there you have it, a streamlined process for managing and utilizing Asana tags. By incorporating tags into your project management workflow, you can boost your team's productivity and ensure better task organization. Remember, when used thoughtfully, tags are more than just labels. They're powerful tools for categorizing, filtering, and enhancing your project management capabilities. Thank you for watching, and happy tagging.